Hi, I'm Jason, Engineering Manager at Brilliant. Today I'm demonstrating the new ceiling fan with the latest innovation in fan assembly, EZI-FIT Blades. Compared with the current method, this new innovative assembly process cuts total installation time by 10 minutes or even more. In fact, the assembly time of the new fan is now possible in under 20 seconds. The new EasyFit Blade installation is as simple as push and click. How easy is that? Current fan assembly requires the removal of a small access panel on the top of the motor. With each blade requiring 3 screws and 3 washers to be fitted via this small opening, assembly can be time-consuming. Sometimes these screws can fall into the motor housing, requiring the unit to be turned upside down and shaken to retrieve. As the blades are flat, they must be set on an angle whilst fitting the screws. This can increase the chance of the screws being cross-threaded. The fan does away with these common issues, making assembly and installation a breeze.